This is Wavy Roses stem set from Altenew. This is a 6x8 stem set with 18 individual stamps. The stem set features lovely, whimsical, and loose floral images that you can color in any medium. These images are great for color using our watercolor brush markers, artist's alcohol markers, or our 36 watercolor pen set. The set is perfect for beginners in coloring, as well as a versatile choice for many different coloring and card making techniques. For added texture, try heat embossing the outline images on your projects. This set includes 10 uplifting sentiments as well. This Wavy Roses stem set is a high-quality photopolymer stamp manufactured in the USA. To find out more about the Wavy Roses stem set and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.